Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open the roof of a Lamborghini Aventador. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface, and the engine is completely off for safety. You'll notice the Aventador has two distinct roof panels that need to be removed individually. We'll start by locating the release mechanisms for the first panel. To begin, locate the two front latches on the first roof panel, usually near the windshield. Release both of these by pushing or pulling the levers as instructed in your owner's manual. Next, find the rear release button, often centrally located, and press it. With all latches disengaged, carefully lift the panel straight up and away from the car. Now, repeat the exact same process for the second roof panel. Release its front latches, press the rear button, and carefully lift it off. Once both panels are removed, head to the front trunk of your Aventador. There, you'll find designated storage areas and straps. Carefully place each panel into its spot and secure them firmly to prevent movement while driving. Before you hit the road, do a quick check to ensure both roof panels are securely stored and all latches are properly engaged. Make sure there are no loose items inside the cabin that could fly out. Now, you're ready to enjoy the exhilarating open-top driving experience of your Lamborghini Aventador. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.